Task 7. Creating a bank account and petty cash account. Let's look at this. I will show you how to create a bank account and petty cash account. As you all know that if you wanted to create any account, suppliers or customers or whatever it is, we had to go to setup. So let's go to setup, and it is an account. Let's go to account, and we are going to set up bank. Let's click on bank. So we have current account, deposit account, petty cash account. So we have been asked to create current account first. Let's click on new, then give the name of the petty cash account. It's a current account, net worth account. So we give bank name, net worth. Sort code we have been given 600 404. Account number we have given 8402586. It is a new account, so therefore there's no credit limit for that. So we will set this as a default account because it's a main current account it's going to be. And if there's an address, yes, they have given address to us, so we can no contact number, so we can give an address by clicking our bank address. That's it. So if you want to add any notes, you can add. Job done. That's it. Next one, the petty cash account. Create the new petty cash account. So it is, the name has given CashBox 1. No other information is given, so it's a CashBox 1 account. So only the name, CashBox 1 account. So give OK. Account is created. That's it. Thank you for watching.